Over-the-top platforms, or popularly known as OTT platforms, are home to an abundance of content where the viewers can watch anything, anytime with easy accessibility. Amidst growing concerns around lack of transparency, accountability, and right of users related to digital media, a new set of guidelines are introduced by the government. As you all know, earlier, digital media platforms had no monetary mechanism like any other traditional medium, and various web series on OTT platforms quoted controversies time and again because of their explicit content. Which is why the government felt that there must be a level playing field. So now, the new rules framed are set according to a three-tier regulation mechanism for OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and YouTube, etc. So let's see the content classification into 5 age-based categories. Under this, the programs that are suitable for all age groups will be listed. These categories will include little to no realistic violence, no sex or nudity, and no psychotropics. Under this category, the divisions are made based on age running from 7 and above, 13 and above, and 16 above. The theme here might be a little stronger. Therefore, parental directions are suggested before allowing the children to watch the shows. Violence here may be more realistic, but tends to be rooted in fantasy or comedy. There are no explicit images of sex or nudity, and any sexual content is limited to affectionate encounters. Here the shows that are made for the more mature audience will be listed. Parents should be careful, educated about the shows before allowing the children to indulge. The violence can be more realistic. Under this category, no program is suitable for children. Violence here can include graphics. Sexual content and nudity can be more for adults but not for graphics. Drug misuse can be depicted but not glamorized or promoted. Only adults can view the mature content available here. Content may have strong language use, mature sex scenes along with nudity, abuse of illegal drug substances, etc. That is all for today's segment. Thank you for watching.